So I'm just going to take you through earning money via commission. Now, this is one that lots of people often get really confused by. Okay, so commission is usually earned by people who sell things. All right, so basically, the more they the more they sell, the more money they're going to earn. All right, but the thing is, if times are tough, sometimes sales aren't always going well, an industry might be down or something like that. They usually don't earn strictly just a commission. Okay, so they also earn what's called a retainer, and that's a set amount that they are earning before they actually sell anything. But if they do sell something, they also still get that retainer. Okay, so it's a set amount that's earned before and in addition to any sales. All right, so it's usually just a small amount, so that the incentive is to sell lots of goods for the company. All right, so we calculate commission as it's usually a percentage of the value of goods sold. So of course, that's, when you think about it in real world terms, it's an incentive for salespeople to try and sell the more expensive items. Okay, so the more value of goods they can sell, the more money they're going to take home at the end of the week or the month. All right, so let's have a look at this example, and I'll show you how to set out your working so you make it quite clear as to what you're actually doing. All right, so we've got Lisa, who works at a car dealership. She is paid a retainer of $1,860 per month. So remember, a retainer is the amount of money she takes home if she does not sell anything. But if she does sell some goods, she still gets that $1,860 as well as her commission. Okay, so she also receives a commission of 0.5% on her monthly sales. Now, that might not seem like very much, but you've got to remember, she's selling cars. These cars might be very, very expensive. They might be worth $100,000 each. So if she can sell a few of those in a month, it's starting to add up. Okay, so if she makes $320,000 worth of sales in a month, calculate her earnings for the month. All right, so when we're working through this, again, we have to be clear about what it is we're finding. We're asked to calculate her earnings, so we're going to say that's what we're doing. Earnings equals. Now, she gets her retainer, which is $1,860. And then she also gets, so we're going to add on 0.5% of, how much did she sell? She sold $320,000 worth of cars, I guess. All right, so 320,000. Okay, so that's not our working out. We've just simply stated what it is that we are finding. We've got $1,860 plus 0.5% of $320,000. Now, I always like to again, write it out really clearly what we're doing. 1,860 plus. Now, when we're finding percentages, I think it's really important not to rely on that percentage button on your calculator. Okay? So we want to turn that percentage into a decimal. And to do that, of course, we divide it by 100. When we divide 0.5 by 100, we get 0.005. Okay? Of course, means times. And then we have the value of goods sold, which is $320,000. Okay, we pop that in our calculator and we realize that Lisa earned $3,460 for that month. All right, so it's not difficult as long as you can understand the terminology. You need to have an understanding of the term retainer. Okay, sometimes it might be called a base salary or a base earnings, but usually in the questions that you will get, it is referred to as a retainer. So watch out for that word, okay? And it is super duper important that you understand that she earns that much plus whatever commission she has earned, okay? So of course the commission is the percentage of the value of the goods sold. And of course, make your working out really, really clear. It only takes an extra couple of seconds, okay? It's having a mishmash of numbers on a page is really difficult to mark. So my advice to you, as always, is to make it really, really clear what it actually is you are doing on your page. All right. The marker of your work wants to give you as many marks as possible. So by making it clear for them, you make that really, really simple. If there is anything else you would like me to make a video on that we have covered, you can comment below and I will get onto it. If this has been helpful, give it a like, and of course subscribe, and you will get notifications as to when I have new videos for you.